Behind me here, you see a powerful crane. This crane can go up to 60 feet, and it can lift more than 24 tons. We've instructed our crazy crane operator to destroy the Hardox container. He's going to put it to the test by dropping all kinds of heavy objects onto it and slapping it around. The question is, if the Hardox wear plate container can take the beating. Let's see what the experts from SSAB have to say.
I don't think it's going to be any problem for the Hardox container. We have done computerized calculations, FEA, final element analysis, simulating these drops. We have developed the plates for the last 30 years. I don't think it's going to be any problem with the crane test today.
Well, you know, they're going to be even dropping cars on it.
I think it's going to take more than that. And we'll do a final test afterwards to see how the container stood up to these tests. We're going to fill it with water and then see if anything pours out.
It's time to bring it on. He's going to lift the whole container up. The experts look worried. Well, we saw the car try and take Hardox. Looks like now Hardox is going to try and take the car. This Hardox container had a really tough time today, and that crazy crane operator, let's just say he'll be keeping his nickname. So, how does it look? There are no leaks as far as I can tell.
I don't see any leaks either. It seems to be holding intact.
Well, the powerful crane and the crazy crane operator couldn't break this Hardox wear plate. But the question still remains as to how indestructible this Hardox wear plate really is, and if it can resist our next series of tests.